तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज हम सबसे पहले करेंगे वार्म अप। राइट लेग फॉरवर्ड एंड रोटेट योर फुट बोथ साइड्स, अपोजिट साइड रोटेट योर फुट, knee up, exhale down, inhale knee up, exhale down, hold your knee at your chest side, toe pointed, catch your foot back, hand relax, long kick the right leg, exhale long kick, फुल एक्सलेशन के साथ लॉन्ग किक करें। लिफ्ट योर लेफ्ट लेग अप एंड रोटेट योर फुट बोथ साइड्स, inhale knee up, exhale down, hold your knee at your chest side, focus at one point, toe point, catch your foot back, and relax. Slowly long kick with your left leg, exhale long kick, फुल एक्सलेशन के साथ लॉन्ग किक करें। Slowly waist rotation, breathe in, hips back, breathe out, hips in the front of you. पीछे जाते हुए ब्रीद इन करें, आगे आते हुए ब्रीद आउट करें। 5 टाइम एट राइट हैंड साइड, 5 टाइम एट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड। मेक अ बिग सर्कल, only waist rotation. Slowly side by side waist. Slowly side bending at your right hand side. Stretch your hands, don't bend your elbow. While exhaling, bend to opposite side. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, bend to opposite side. Slowly side kicks while exhaling. Opposite side. Slowly squats. Exhale down. Inhale, come up. Interlock your fingers at front of you. Exhale down. Inhale, come up. At 10 count. Knees rotation, both sides. Whole body warm up. Opposite side. Slowly palms on your shoulders and rotate your knees. Both sides. Make a big circle with your elbows. Breathe in, elbows up. Breathe out, elbows down. Stretch your hands at side of you. Twist your body. Slowly neck rotation. Full neck rotation. Breathe in, neck पीछे लेकर जाएं, breathe out से चिन को टच करें चेस्ट से. 3 और 4 टाइम करें राइट हैंड साइड एंड अपोजिट साइड भी करें. डोंट क्लोज योर आइज and slowly doing. Make a half circle slowly. Neck exercise. Twist your body at the back side of you. Slowly inhale, both hands up. Come up on your toes. While exhaling, bend forward, palms on the floor. Slowly, heels on the floor. Inhale, come up. Breathe in, come up on your toes. Breathe out, bend forward. Slowly, heels on the floor. Inhale, come up. And relax. Slowly come in Ashwa Sanchalan. Left foot back, right foot forward. Slowly breathe out and right knee को बाहर की ओर पुश करें. While exhaling, right knee को बाहर की ओर पुश करें. Push your knee at side of you while exhaling. Slowly come in plank and left foot forward. Breathe out. Left knee को बाहर की ओर पुश करें. Slowly come up. Now jump. Sit on your foot. Make a plank. Come up on your foot. Jump. Come up on your foot. Plank. Come up. Jump. Palms on the floor. Plank. Come up. Jump. Palms on the floor. Plank. Come up, jump, palms on the floor, plank. Hold in plank, come up on your elbows. Now we're doing dolphin stretch. Exhale, hips up, inhale, hips down. Hips up, inhale, hips down, come in plank. Elbows plank. Dolphin stretch. Both knees on the floor. Puppy pose. Stretch your hands. While exhaling, chest down. Come up on your palms. Do the Ashwa Sanchalan. Don't touch your knee on the floor. Right leg forward. Left leg forward. Look at your sky. Right leg forward. Left leg forward. Slowly sit up. Twist your body at back side. Spine twist. Slowly bend your left leg and open your right leg. पैर का पंजा अपनी ओर खींचा हुआ. Slowly inhale and while exhaling bend to opposite side. Stretch your hand. पैर का पंजा अपनी ओर खींचा हुआ. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Slowly come up. Bend your right leg and open your left leg. पैर का पंजा अपनी ओर खींचा हुआ. Right hand on the floor. Slowly bend to opposite side. Slowly come up. घुटने पर आ जाएं. Stand up on your knees. And sit up on your hips. Side by side. Waist को करें. Slowly rotate भी करें. अपोजिट साइड भी करें. हिप्स अप डाउन. स्लोली सिट डाउन इन सुखासन. सो आज का सेशन यहीं खत्म होता है. बाय बाय. जय गुरुदेव.